Welcome 5th standard subject EVS chapter 1 living things part 4.
So, hello everyone. Before starting fourth part of chapter 1, let's do some pre-task what we learn in third part of this video. We learned two topics in third part. Do plants move? And plants and animals produce young ones like themselves. These 2 points we discussed in previous part. Let's take a quick review of these two topics. Do plants move? In that we learned plants remain in the same place all their life. They do not move from place to place, but they move their body parts. The leaves of touch me not plant move when touched, and this short video also you have seen in part 3, right? That when you are touching these leaves of touch me not plant, the leaves of this plant get closed, right? So it means plants can move their body parts. Leaves of many kinds of plants move when the sun set, right? That also we have learned. And one more example, that sunflower you have seen, right? That it traces the sun direction. It traces the direction of sun, right? Okay. Plants and animals produce young ones like themselves. In that topic we learned living things produce young ones like themselves. Several kinds of animals lay eggs, like birds, right? Insects, snakes, crocodiles, lizards and turtles lay eggs. And baby animal, now this was the important in third part, that hatching, definition of hatching. In that we learned baby animal develop inside the eggs, and after few days when that young animal is fully developed inside the egg, it breaks open the shell of the egg and comes out. This is known as hatching. I told you that this hatching definition is so important. Frogs lay eggs in water. A frog's egg hatch into the tadpoles. We have seen whole life cycle of frog, that first in beginning they lay eggs in water, then egg grows in the size, and then it get converted into tadpoles with tail, right? And then it increases its size, and at fourth position that frog's legs get developed, and at the end tail disappear, and then fully body of a frog developed from that tadpole, right? Animals produce young ones like themselves, and many kind of animals give birth to young one which feed on their mother's milk, right? Look, one by one we are learning about how different type of animals produce young ones, about plant, right? Some birds, insects and animals, and here we are talking about mammals, right? That they give birth to young ones and feed on their mother's milk. Monkey, bat, dog, dolphins, human beings are few such animals that give birth to young ones, right? I told you that bat can fly. Bats can fly, but they produce, means they give birth to young ones. They does not lay eggs. That is why bats are in mammals category. In such animals, the young one develop inside the mother's body. All such animals are called mammals. Most of mammals have hair on their body. Look, this mammal, you need to understand this phenomenon, mammal, right? So in that, baby animal develop inside mother's body, and some animals that lay eggs, in that baby animal develop inside the egg, right? And then it comes out. But here in mammal, baby animal develop inside mother's body, and it feed on the milk of mother, right? And then it grows. About growing we'll learn in this video. Plant that bear flowers produce fruit with seeds. Now we are talking about plants, that how they grow as a new plant. So plant produce fruits, and inside the fruit there is seed. A new plant can grow from a seed. These all topics we have already learned in third part. A seed give rise to a new plant is called seedling. I told you that seedling is also important definition, that a seed give rise to a new plant is called seedling. So what we will learn today? 2 points here. Some plants develop new plant from part of their body. In previous slide you have seen that plants produce seeds, but we have many plants that produce new plant from their body parts like stem or leaves, right? And the second point that we are going to learn is plant and animal grow, how they grow, right? So some plants develop new plants from a part of their body. See here, a new rose plant can grow from its stem, right? If you have a stem of a rose plant, right, if you have a pot and a good soil, so you can grow a new rose plant just from its stick of a stem, right? Only one stem you require to grow a new rose plant. There are many examples. Let's see one by one. A piece of a potato that has at least one eye, or you can say bud, will grow into a new potato plant. You have seen at your home also, like see that red circles, that is bud, or you can say eye of a potato. If you have a good soil, right, so you can grow a new potato plant from this kind of potatoes, right? You just have to cut that eye part carefully and you can grow a new potato plant in pots also, right? One more example. Boyophyllum plants produce new plants from their leaves. It's a type of a plant. See here, you will see leaves here and small leaves are growing inside it. See, there is a leaf of a Boyophyllum plant and a new small plants are growing. You can see roots also. Downside of that leaf you can see roots also. So new Boyophyllum plants can grow from its leaf only. New plant of a ginger and banana grow from their stems that grow under the ground. Here we have picture of banana plant, see, and downside there is a stem of banana plant. So banana plant and ginger also, ginger actually it is a stem and a new ginger plant can grow from its stem. Same thing for banana, a new banana plant can also grow from its stem only, right? How is amazing, no? How it is amazing that a different parts of a plant can grow into a new plant. Plants and animals grow. Now let's talk about growth of them. All plants grow throughout their lifetime, but not about animals. Let's see about plants first, then we will talk about animals. See here, this is a life cycle, we can say, of a seed. In first picture you can see a seedling. From a seed a new baby plant just comes out, right? It is just coming out, so that is a seedling. If you will see second picture, a seedling grow into a plant, a new plant. That height is increasing. You can see 3 leaves of that, right? In third picture you can see a plant grow more, right? In third picture plant grow more. In the fourth picture a plant becomes a tree. So how that plants grow from a seed to seedling to grow in a new plant, then that plant will grow more, and then at last it becomes tree with fruits, and then fruits will have more seeds, and that seeds will produce new plants. So this is how plant grow, and they produce new plants from its seed. So this is about plants, right, and how they grow. Not only tree but even small plants that live only for few months grow throughout their lifetime. You have observed this, right? If a plant, if it is a small plant, and if you will pluck a leaf of it, from it, it will produce new leaf every day, right? Small plants who lives for a few months, they also grow throughout their lifetime. It doesn't mean that height is fixed up to the after the height will not increase, or after they will not get more leaves, they will not get more flowers. It is not like that. Every plant will grow throughout their lifetime. Plants grow in size. The appearance of new flower, birds, fruit, new leaves and roots indicate that plant is growing. We just discussed, right, that new leaves, it will get new leaves, it will get new fruits, it will get new birds and flowers, and roots will also develop inside the soil. So we can identify that plant, we can indicate that plant grow throughout their lifetime. Now, unlike plants, animals grow only in the early part of their lives. If we talk about animals, they grow in size, in height only up to certain age. After certain age, their age will increase, but their height or they will not increase in a size, right? Animals grow in length or height only up to certain age. We can say that not only the large animals but even tiny animals such as ants grow. ants, mosquitoes, cockroaches, many small living things are living around us. So they also grow in size, but only up to certain age. You have seen big ants? No, right? They have fixed size. Up to that only they will grow. After that they will not grow, right? You have seen you have seen human beings also. So let's talk about that. Newborn babies grow, or the young ones of animals grow and become as big as their parent after some time. You can see how human beings grow. Baby, then their height get increases, and at old age they get fixed height, right? Not up to old age, but after certain age. In certain age their height get fixed, right? And after that their height will not increase. Even sometime in some cases weight also get fixed, right? So animals, we can say animals grow only up to certain ages, right? Just observe in your surrounding, your uncles, your aunties, right? So their height is fixed up to certain age, like 30 or 32 around, they get some fixed height. After that their height will not increase, right? So this is a difference between plants and animals. That remember these two lines. Plants grow throughout their lifetime and animals grow up to their certain age, right? Again I am repeating, plants grow throughout their lifetime and animals grow up to certain age. Let's see, quick check. Name the following. First one, living things that grow throughout their lifetime. I just told you, living things that grow throughout their lifetime. Answer is plants, right? Very good. I hope you have guessed right answer. Second one, living things that grow only in early part of their lives. Living things that grow only in early part of their lives. So they are animals, right? Let's go for third one. A plant that produce new plant from their leaves. You have seen photo also. A plant that produce new plant from their leaves. So that is Boyophyllum, most important, Boyophyllum plants, and its spelling. Don't forget it. Let's see some true and false. First one, all kinds of plants produce seeds. All kinds of plants produce seeds. True or false? So it is false. Why? Think on it. Not all kind of plants. We have seen banana plant, Boyophyllum plant, potato, ginger, right? Even rose, right? So they can produce new plants from their body parts. So it is not compulsory for all the plants that all plants produce seeds, right? Few plants we have that can produce new plants from their body parts. That is why this sentence is wrong, or we can say false. Let's go for second one. Animals grow in size only up to certain age. Animals grow in size only up to certain age. I hope you have right answer, and that is true, right? Let's go for third one. Plants grow throughout their lifetime. Plants grow throughout their lifetime. So that is true. Let's go for fourth one. Seeds of plants can give rise to a new plant. Seeds of plants give rise to a new plant. So true, correct. Fifth one, banana plant grow from its stems. We have discussed this. Banana plant grow from its stems. So answer is true. So I hope you understand everything. Thank you.